Since Microsoft Teams has become an essential part of digital workspace, maintaining and restructuring it has become a necessary. Here is where Saketa Teams to Teams migration comes into picture. If you are planning to perform Teams to Teams migration from one tenant to another, or you are planning to reorganize and restructure within same tenant, Saketa Teams to Teams migration is very useful. Saketa provides you advanced features that will help you to perform migrations smooth and hassle-free. Saketa Turbo Mode offers quick and fast migrations, and its scheduling capabilities allow you to run migrations at your convenience. Let's look into Teams to Teams migration. In Teams to Teams migration, we have two modules. The first one covers entire Teams migration and it contains to the destination. It includes the background associated sites, the teams and owners membership, the private channels and everything. The second module is used to migrate channels from one team to another. It can be within the same team or different teams. We are going to look into more details about these two modules in the upcoming videos, but in a quick glance, the teams to teams migration will look something like this. You can select multiple teams and you can schedule the migration. Here everything will be migrated in the teams. You can migrate within the same tenant or different tenants. And if you have chosen to only perform content migration, we have this module where you can select the channels inside teams and you can migrate to any of the desired destination team. You also have the ability to drill down into channels and can perform direct files migration to the destination channels. Thank you.